Hey, it's Mark again, RPM Tesla. We're doing a solo video tonight, but we're really excited about our new Generation 2 Cybertruck locking center console safe. Look at how awesome this is, especially if you've got our beautiful carbon fiber. Even with our lighting upgrades, you can change the lights inside, everywhere in the vehicle. Just simply point and shoot. But for this video, we're leaving it on white just to make it visible. But this is the best safe on the market. It's biometric fingerprint scanning. Opens like this. Everything fits inside. The light lights up. All of the internal plugs, power outlets, AC and DC are there. It's awesome. Again, let's show you what it comes with, what's in the box, and take a look at some of the beautiful new upgrades now in stock at RPM. Carbon fiber, even carbon fiber. Beautiful mud flaps. We've got spacers in stock. We've got some great new designs coming out for the hubs, but just look at these products. No one else has them, only at RPM. Look at this, and we're making more and more and more carbon items all the time. Our bull bars will be in stock soon. More carbon fiber accents, tying it all together at RPM. So let's take a look at what's included with your new safe for your center console. Okay, what comes in the box in our new Generation 2 Cybertruck center console locking safe? The first thing you're going to notice is this thing is rock solid. It is all pre-assembled. It's not a few pieces of steel that you've got to screw together. The second generation is awesome. Powder coated, texturized, just like this table, same surface, beautiful, rock solid, and again, it just drops right in. You don't need to do anything except secure it with the self-tapping screws. And another thing we wanted to show off is the backup. So of course, when you have a fingerprint scanning key, you got to have power. So we had to insert 2 AAA batteries and put them in there. But a lot of people say, well, what happens if you forget to keep extra batteries, or how do you get it open? So of course we have keys. So key is one way to get it open. You pop the cover off here, put the key in, so you don't have to worry about that. But what if you misplace the key? Well, the next thing is this USB-C plug hidden underneath this little rubber trap door. So here you can plug in a USB-C cord, and that'll give you power to get it open. So with the design of this new generation, we've really thought it all the way through. Worst case scenario, let's take a look at how easily it installs, and notice the 4 pre-drilled or pre-tapped holes. That's going to be for inserting screws to permanently mount this inside the center console. So again, it's optional. You don't need to permanently install it, but we're going to give you all the tools to make a pilot hole, to tap the self-tappers in. Let's get into the Cybertruck and show you all the details right now. But isn't that beautiful? Rock solid steel. Installation of this solid pre-assembled locking safe for the Cybertruck couldn't be easier. Just simply unlock it with a fingerprint scanner. So again, either you have the master code set up or not. Once you unlock it, you open it. You pick it up with one hand and you simply insert it just like this, right down inside your center console. Slide it all the way to the bottom, lock it, and close it. And it is fully installed. Now, there is the option of securing it to the sides with these screws we're going to show you right now. Now, this is everything included in the bag except for the 2 instruction sheets. And again, these keys are great. You can simply open this up and plug the key in. So keep a key in the glove box, somewhere hidden in the truck is good, maybe underneath your back seat. But keep this as a backup just in case anything happens. And you also have this pin for programming and also for opening this up, but that's programming the master key. So how does this safe stay secure inside the Cybertruck armrest? That is the question. So what you have are 4 self-tapping screws. These screws, when drilled into the side or screwed into the side inside of the actual safe, will keep everything secure. You won't be able to remove it. But after we installed it, we realized that right now, if someone was to break into your Cybertruck, they really couldn't remove this. They can't get a grip on it. They can't pick it up. It's flat and flush. So we've elected not to drill holes in the side of our center console. It's a great theft deterrent. You don't need to, but if you want to, they're right down here. We've got 1, 2 on each side. And it's designed that you simply poke a hole in it like this. So you're just making a pilot hole, so to speak. And you jam it into the plastic, push it in real hard like that. And then take one of the 4 screws with the super short Phillips screwdriver head and screw it in. Now, obviously, we suggest doing that if you've got anything of real value, or if you have something in here to protect your life. You wouldn't want someone getting in here. So, again, it's great. As it is, if someone was to get in here, they couldn't pick it up, they couldn't get it out, they'd have to have an angled wrench or a screwdriver or something, and they'd have to know there's something of value in here. So if you're not sure, we suggest just insert it like this, just put it inside and leave it in there. And think about it. Think about if you want to put these holes in the side that would be visible. So remember, the holes are right there. And if you drill or screw the self-tapping screws in there, you're going to see that hole. You can see the little mark I made on it. Anyway, you might want to put 1 maybe or 2 of them in the driver's side, maybe over here. You never notice it. But most likely, you're going to keep this thing in here forever. It's awesome. It's secure. And again, we take you step by step in this generic manual telling you how to put the batteries in, and then how to set up the fingerprint code. Right now, anyone's fingerprint opens it. It doesn't require anything but sensing pressure on here. So make sure when you get it, you read the back, and it explains how to set up the administrator's fingerprint code.